It is day number 120 of the self-quarantine today here in Los Angeles. It's going to be a very short but informative video. There was news that was coming from the Johns Hopkins University. If you know that university, that's the university that's taking all the coronavirus data from around the world and putting it into a virtual map. So anywhere in the world, any city, any region, any state, any country, you see the number of cases, the number of deaths, the number of hospitalizations. They're getting all that data and putting in their website and their virtual map. So they made the discovery that on this past Thursday, on July 9th, the United States saw another single day record of coronavirus cases. Over 63,000 Americans were tested positive of COVID-19. And that just goes to show that the United States haven't gotten any control of the coronavirus cases and have not been able to control, and they're very lenient on a lot of policies against COVID-19. They're thinking it's a political issue, but it's not. It's a scientific issue, a health issue, and a lot of people have to take it seriously because if nothing is done soon, we might be seeing a actual worse upcoming outcome of coronavirus cases, deaths, and hospitalizations. Secondly, there was another study going back here to Los Angeles, and this was made by the Los Angeles Public Health Department. They said that Latinos are now twice as likely as any other racial or ethnic group to get/be infected with COVID-19 here in LA County. And the reason why it says is because the disparity reflects the fact that Latinos work as essential workers. So most of the essential workers that you see here in Los Angeles County are predominantly Latino. And they also added it has to do with a lot of the neighborhoods that could be densely populated, a lot of the low-income neighborhoods. We're seeing kind of like a spike of COVID-19. And again, they stress, just like the mayor has stressed, that we might be going back to the stay-at-home mandate to control and stop the COVID-19 from spreading any further. And regarding the coronavirus here in Los Angeles, the number of cases and deaths continue to rise, unfortunately. The number of cases so far since the start of this pandemic has gone up to 130,000 Angelenos that have been tested positive. And then secondly, the number of deaths so far since the start of this pandemic has gone to 3,700 and pretty close to 3,800, but it's going to happen soon. And looking at these numbers, with another study now from the California Health Department, they've said for the past 2 weeks we've seen an average of 90 deaths per day because of COVID-19. And there are a lot of the medical scientists, a lot of the medical experts are urging Angelenos and also Californians to do something very soon, because if this doesn't stop, we might be seeing a very worrisome outcome in the very near future, where there will not be enough ICUs, not enough hospital beds, not enough doctors for the amount of patients with COVID-19. So again, they're asking to wear masks, social distancing, and if all that fails, I think we might be looking at a total lockdown. The stay-at-home mandate will be law until further ado, until they can deem it safely. But other than that, it's kind of a wait and see. So that is it for today's video. So everyone, stay strong, stay safe.